Subtle Certain Survival here with a fella I actually got to meet helping out at a Reynolds Adventure and Training Advanced Bushcraft class. This is Jason Gallahair. Make sure I pronounce that right. He's going to talk about a Heretic knife right now at Blade Show 2025.
Yeah, this is the Redesign, the Hydra V4, newly redesigned, Magna Cut blade. This is a proof run. We made less than 100 of these. They're here at the booth, ready for you to come get them if you want them. Magna Cut, nice and snappy. All ready for you.
Cool stuff. Anything else you want to talk about?
Well, of course, we've got the cell shade knives that are really hot right now. They're going fast. We can't even keep them in stock. We have this Hydra is also in DLC Battle Worn. We have the Manicore E's and X's with different blades, all Magna Cut blades. Some of them are DLC'd, some camo carbon handles.
Alrighty. Well, I appreciate you once again.
Yeah.
Good to see you, buddy.
Anytime. Always glad to see you.